Fucking you. Fuck you.
This game's fun.
HQ to Alpha Team. You're almost at the Ace of Spades.
Yo, we're almost to the Ace of Spades. What? They gotta have like a melee combat. Oh shit.
An RPG.
They have an RPG?
Bravo to HQ. We're taking some major heat over here. I don't think we'll make any time to relieve Alpha. HQ here. Copy that.
Just the two of us. Are you fucking kidding me?
I just punched them.
So I'm out of ammo, so I'm gonna have to like... Fuck. Where are they? Where'd they all go? I guess they're all dead. Oh, there's ammo. Oh shit! I'm getting... Fucking hell. Oh!
This game is so stupid.
It was worth every penny.
I mean, at least you got it on sale.
Dude, I'm gonna be honest, we would not be having as much fun in Resident Evil 5.
Wait, what happened to Resident Evil 5?
It's just like fucking Resident Evil 4, but, you know, there's co-op,
Wait,
and this one's
wait,
just fucking insanity.
Wait, did you manage to turn up the FOV?
No, I never checked if I could. Maybe a graphic? No. Screen settings? All there is brightness. Camera settings. No, there's nothing about distance.
Man, it's so bad. It's so close to you.
Yeah, but it's funny. In your face, that's like Michael Bay. Load. Load.
You want the combat.
The combat's awesome. I love this game, dude.
Captain,
Shut up. You just...
Ah!
Fuck you.
You gay guys are me. You gay guys are me. Dude. Oh shit.
Copy that.
Let me in! Oh shit.
Read, there's ammo here.
To assist
Oh, there
with
is?
search and rescue. Stand by for instructions.
good. I needed a break.
What the fuck?
What? What? What
We've
the
been
fuck?
spotted. They're right on top of us.
I can't fucking see any.
We just have to fucking hold out now?
HQ to Bravo Team. Alpha Team surrounded by hostiles. Get to the Ace of Spades on the double.
Shit.
Alpha Team, this is Bravo. We're moving as fast as we can. Keep your panties on, everyone.
Alpha team.
Oh, that's a
here.
cool.
Roger
That's a
that.
cool joke.
We'll do what we can until you get
Women, am I right? Yo, Gabriel, we're backed up in the corner, bro. This is real. This is serious.
Dude, I fucking hate this.
assholes do we have to kill? Where the hell's that backup?
All I'm saying, Gabriel, is oh shit!
Wait.
Holy shit! What the fuck did I do? Hey, Bravo team.
Bravo team.
Don't leave any Duamos standing.
Thanks, Bravo team.
Choose your targets and let's finish this.
I'm the ultimate. Oh, fucking hell. I'm on the ground.
Oh my god.
Good job, Gabriel. So many of these fucking big guys. Whoa.
Why the fuck is it that big?
Gabriel, I don't want to be that guy, but some kind of explosion fucking fucked me up.
Get back up, buddy.
Oh, thanks, bud. How many more can there be? Bravo team's here. What are they shooting at?
All BOWs have been eliminated. Alpha team, help Bravo team get the civvies out of there.
Oh my fucking god, you're an asshole.
Will I do it?
Hurry up.
Fine, I won't do it. Fine, Gabriel. Fine. Guess I won't hit you, alright?
Fuck you.
That's Leonidas Kennedy.
HQ to Alpha, we have your mission brief. Rescue the hostages on the first and second
Who?
floors
What
and get out of the
hostages?
building.
Why is that our job now? Aren't we like bioterrorists?
Bombing.
Anti-bioterrorist?
Fuck you. Next.
Good job, Gib.
Man, this game does not feel well on these.
Yeah, I mean, I cannot imagine on keyboard and mouse.
Fucking the mount, it just feels so off. It's so sensitive. That's what the thing, the mouse is so sensitive.
Can you not change it? Is it not like... Oh, there's some
I mean-
items over here, Gib.
So where can we use these skill points?
I don't know. I'd assume like there's like chapters. Like in RE4 and RE5.
This chapter's been going on for quite a bit.
Yeah. I said there are chapters in the menu. I mean, chapters do go on for a good bit, but I mean, who knows?
Fucking RE2, you can beat in 2 hours.
Like, is that like if you know what you're doing?
Yeah, like, there's
Yeah.
even like an achievement. They want you to beat it in like 2 hours.
That's hype.
It's like an achievement.
Well, this is
Same with-
fucking. This is a linear action game, so you know.
Wait, we go this way? Fucking where?
Oh,
Oh.
well, we're here. What the fuck? What did you just throw him?
I working suplex.
What the fuck? I mean, what do I expect? Fucking boulder punching Chris Redfield.
Boulder punch.
Ow.
Fuck you. Oh my. What are you
I'm having fun. What the fuck is that?
So why do you have a sniper rifle again?
Assault rifle ammo has been pretty scarce, but I got some now, so I'm gonna actually use it. Man, I have 90 bullets. I'm chilling. Thought I had a lot less.
The hostages are just up ahead of you. Eliminate the hostages.
I'll be here. Roger that. We're going.
We're going in. Oh no, not the hostages. No. Oh, I'm gonna go after him. Ow.
Oh my god, the fucking running.
Ah, fucking hell.
Alpha to HQ. 7th floor hostage secured.
Oh, that's okay. We did it.
Where's the other hostage?
Where's the other house?
All hostages on the top floor are secured. I'm leaving the building now.
Oh, that's how you peek out. Fucking hell, that's so janky. Why isn't it just you peek out when you aim?
Who's your holding name? You know, game design. Where are the steps? These steps, okay.
Why do I have to manually equip fucking herbs for auto heal?
I don't fucking know. God, I wish I could just have a hand cannon. Fucking hell. Boom. Let's go.
Alpha to HQ. 8th floor hostage secured.
Good job.
Copy that.
That was stupid.
Now we have to go back downstairs.
Oh my god.
On the fucking first floor? We go down a lot of fucking steps.
Reef, you were sprinting and going the same speed as you. Because you're running into every wall.
What? God damn it. Get the slide over.
Fuck
Funny.
you.
That's too funny. That's too funny.
Fuck you.
I see an opportunity to troll. I troll, alright, man?
Delta 1 to HQ.
I thought I could hit you. God damn it.
Damn it!
On the 15th floor secured. Leaving the building now.
Okay, that just leaves us.
God damn it!
No, it's stuck.
Now what?
Fight. It stopped. Now we fight.
I can get through the ceiling if you give me a hand.
What? I think am I clipped? My camera was just in first person for no reason. What the fuck? Thanks, bro.
You were, I thought we were soft blocked for a second. Oh, what if we so fucking funny?
I don't feel like helping you up. God damn it, I have to.
You just let go of me.
Oh. We're completely fine. That was a direct hit. What the fuck?
You okay? Yeah. I'm fine.
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry, sir. As I get towards you, bro, I'll hit the fuck out of you.
So who are these people again?
I don't know. I think they're just bioterrorists. Why are you down? How did that happen? How am I supposed to get to you?
What
The fuck?
What?
What happened? Please don't be
I-
far
I
back. Please don't be
thought-
far back.
I thought that was just a cutscene.
No, you were down. Oh, I think we're supposed to cover right now. We're supposed to cover and fire.
I just died as soon as the cutscene ended.
I don't know why. Where the fuck are we? Oh. Get all your items and shit. Okay, so let's pray you don't. Oh.
What the fuck, actually?
Oh, it's trapped. Oh, I see. One of those is trapped. Oh no, there's the RPG guy. Never mind. Yeah, then we have to cover fire at these guys.
Come on, we can take them. I'm
Yep,
going in.
there we go. Going in. Well, fuck. Shit. Oh, fuck you. Shit.
Thanks, Chris Redfield.
Oh, fucking. I love having the only ammo be a fucking sniper rifle. I have to fucking look through the scope for. Like, if I didn't even have the scope, it wouldn't be that much of an issue.
This game's camera's so janky.
Yeah. Oh, don't worry, I got my sniper. Let me just snipe them when they're 2 feet away.
I
from
don't
me.
know what the fuck the red dot is doing. It's like going in like the corner of the crosshair. And it's confusing me so much. Do I use it or do I not? I'm so confused.
I think it's supposed to be like an actual laser pointer, like in fucking.
Like, it's supposed to be a critical shot? Is that what it's supposed to represent?
No, laser's just where the fucking thing is hitting. Because it's a laser.
Well, why the fuck's the point of the crosshair?
Just to help you out.
But
Gotta make it
it's just making things even more difficult.
Well. Gabriel, the game's trying to be nice to you. You treat it like this.
No,
man.
it's not.
Why do you have to be so mean?
This is Delta 1. Clear the building. HQ here. Copy that.
Clear the building.
This is Delta 2. I'm clear of the building. HQ here. Copy that. Alpha is still on premises. Bombing will start once they're cleared.
What am I doing?
Ready?
Oh. Hype. Yo!
Like, I started thinking slow motion.
No, on my screen I was aiming directly and firing at the lady. I was trying to see if I could fuck up the mission. Fucking stupid game.
Are you shooting the girl?
I was
when
trying to
she-
shoot the lady, yeah.
You just fuck up the mission. You hit her once.
All hostages are okay.
There's no way this isn't the end of the fucking chapter.
Shit, we're trapped.
Never mind.
What do we do now?
That was so
Game.
sudden for no reason.
HQ to Alpha. You can get out on the 3rd floor. There's a balcony on the west side of the building. Get moving.
Let's go!
Alpha team, get out of there now.
Yes, sir.
Preparations to bomb the building.
Yes,
are
sir.
complete. Planes have been scrambled.
We don't want to be here when those birds show up.
Can you, like, tell them to hold off for, like, 5 minutes? Are you kidding me? They know that you're- ah, fuck these assholes.
They don't care that we're still in here. It's not personal. You know the mission takes priority.
Oh, wait,
What?
upstairs.
They can't.
Ugh. I'm gonna stop running, this shit sucks. Let's go!
Captain, I think we can get around it.
What the f-
I fucking love Michael Bay. I gotta wait for you. No! Okay, there we go. I can help him. Help him. No, I can't help you at all. I'm just watching you while you're fucking about to fall. Please, baby, run. Oh, dude, this is awesome. Oh my god, dude.
stupid?
What the fuck, dude?
Explosion necklace, you would have blown out your fucking eardrums. Well, I guess these guys can just survive a direct hit with a RPG.
Well, Danganronpa has changed.
Danganronpa has changed.
It's not about it's not about high school students. It's about shooting Monokumas.
No.
Ultra Despair Girls.
No.
I really hope this plot point of him having PTSD really, goes somewhere.
I don't know.
Oh,
I just
there we
randomly-
go. Look at holy shit. Holy
My
fuck.
accuracy was 61.7.
61. I got a 61.7. You got a 61. Oh, damn it. You were more accurate than me. What the hell?
I got 61.8.
Yeah, you
No,
got
wait,
one-
no. Oh, wait, no.
Yeah, I'm on the left. I'm Piers Navon.
Enemies rooted.
Okay. Let's
You
fucking
fucking
end the
just
game.
punched them.
Let's end the
You're
game.
so
It's fucking. We've been
stupid.
doing this for an hour and a half, dude.
Seriously?
Yeah, dude. Holy fuck.
Oh, I can now purchase skills.
Oh, wait. What the fuck do you? Where do you go to purchase skills?
No, it just brought me to the skill menu.
That's okay. I'm already out of the fucking game. That's fine. Holy shit! I didn't expect a skill tree. Oh yeah, buy LaCroix boys.